He's sitting up like a person.
He sat on the edge of that chair. The arm.
Oh boy. Carolyn, you've got so much to put on Facebook.
After you get through them, Kim, I can sell them for 10 grand.
After somebody sees this, they won't be able to give him away.
Nobody wants that kind of torture.
Look at him biting. Oh my gosh.
That's gonna hurt every time you do that.
Oh.
It's the corner of this bracelet jammed up in his mouth.